Jeevan Paritrata, a ML-based accident management system. India accounts for about 5 lakh road accidents annually, which is one of the highest in the world. Jeevan Paritrata will help tackle this problem by detecting if a road accident has occurred through live CCTV footages and automatically send alert notification to concerned authorities like the police, ambulance, and traffic control personnel.
So the title of our project is Jeevan Paritrata, in which we are performing an accident detection system using Python, Keras, and TensorFlow. As you can see, this is the front end of our application, which we have made for demonstration purposes. In this, we can upload videos in order to get them verified whether an accident has occurred in them or not. So as you can see, this we have already uploaded a video, and that video is being processed frame by frame to check whether an accident is occurring in it or not. Once the model detects that an accident has occurred, it would be sending out an email. So as you can see, as the accident occurs, as the model takes a while, and once it detects, it says that warning accident. The moment that this notification comes on, the SMTP library is triggered and it sends out a mail to relevant authorities. We will be using this to send out mails to authorities such as ambulance or police authorities or traffic car holders. And sending out an email such as accident has occurred at this location, please help, and an image of the accident so that they can better assess whether the help is needed there or not. So this was one video. We'll be playing more videos as we go along. So for demonstration purposes, we have made an web application, but for real life purposes, we would be deploying it on as a plugin for a Linux server. So people would need to clone it off GitHub and add emails as they need, and then execute these scripts every time the server runs. So it can is made as the script is made to execute automatically. We also have provided some features for it to stop once an accident is detected. So the moment an accident is detected, the system goes to sleep for 10 minutes once an email is sent. After 10 minutes, it checks again if the accident zone still has an accident in it, so that if crashed car still exists in that same location, it would check and then again go to sleep until the accident is completely cleared out. Once it is cleared out, every 10 minutes it will be checking, and once it decides that okay, that the road has been cleared and we can start again, the application starts again and sends mail again if an accident occurs, so that multiple mails aren't sent every 10 minutes. Now looking at the code, for this project, we have implemented ResNet 50 as our base neural network using transfer learning, upon which we have built our own layers in order to compensate for any losses made during transition from ResNet 50 to our own model. Using this, we used the basics that ResNet 50 had learned during its training in order to detect cars, and then our model, on training our model along with ResNet 50, we were able to implement perfect car collision detection. The model works by detecting when two cars come very close to each other, and by detecting deformities on the surface of the car. So based on that, we got an accuracy around 87 to 89%. We did have some false negatives, but those can be ignored, as for most part the images are being detected correctly, and we have set up some particular systems on our code, so that the model needs to detect accident images in 5 consecutive frames. If 5 consecutive frames do not detect an accident in them, the email will not be sent out. This is done just for verification purposes that the email that the model runs properly and only legitimate images are sent to authorities.
So we saw how the website functions and what is the implementation of our code. But what are the benefits to the society? First aid, medical help, ambulances, and other emergency services can be made available to the victims of the accident without any delay, right? Tow trucks can be made available immediately. Traffic management authorities will be notified on detection of the accident to prevent traffic jams and inconvenience to other commuters. Accident prone zones can be identified using these systems, and warning messages can be displayed accordingly to prevent any further accidents. Thank you.